Have you ever wondered how chatbots like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude can answer questions, write essays, generate code, and even have conversations like a human? How can a machine understand what you type and respond in seconds with a smart answer? Is it thinking? Is it searching the internet? Is it actually intelligent? The truth is fascinating. In this video, we're going to break it all down in very simple language. You'll learn what large language models are, how AI is trained on data, what tokens are, how AI generates responses, why AI sometimes makes mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll understand how chatbots like ChatGPT actually work behind the scenes. Let's start with the big idea.
The big idea.
At a basic level, chatbots like ChatGPT are not magic. They are not human, and they don't actually know things the way humans do. Instead, they are prediction machines. Yes, prediction machines. Their main job is very simple. Predict the next word in a sentence. That's it. It sounds simple, but when this is done at a massive scale with huge amounts of data and very advanced models, the results look like intelligence. Let's look at a simple example. If I say, peanut butter and underscore, you probably think jelly.
Why?
Because you've seen those words together many times. AI works in a similar way. It has seen billions of sentences and learned patterns between words. So when you type a sentence, the AI predicts what word should come next, then the next word, then the next word very quickly. And that's how it writes paragraphs, essays, and conversations. This type of AI is called a large language model.
What is a large language model?
A large language model, or LLM, is an AI system trained to understand and generate human language. Let's break the name into parts. Large, trained on massive amounts of data. Language works with human language. Model, a mathematical system that finds patterns. So a large language model is a system trained on massive amounts of text to learn patterns in language and generate human-like text. These models are trained on things like books, websites, articles, Wikipedia, conversations, documentation, public text on the internet. By reading all this text, the AI learns grammar, facts, writing styles, patterns, how conversations work, how explanations work, how code works. But here's something very important. The AI does not memorize everything like a database. It learns patterns, not exact knowledge. This is a very important idea. The AI learns relationships between words, ideas, and concepts. For example, it learns that Earth is related to planet. Doctor is related to hospital. Python can be a snake or a programming language. Apple can be a fruit or a company. It learns this from patterns in text.
How AI is trained. Training on data.
Now, let's talk about training. Training is the process where the AI learns from data. Here's a simple way to understand training. Imagine you give a student millions of books and ask them to learn how language works. But instead of asking them questions, you play a game. You show them a sentence like, the sky is underscore. They try to guess the missing word. Maybe they guess blue. If they're correct, they get a reward. If they are wrong, they get corrected. They do this billions of times. Over time, they become very good at predicting missing words. This is very similar to how large language models are trained. The training process looks like this. Step 1. Collect huge amounts of text data. Step 2. Break text into small pieces, tokens. Step 3. The model tries to predict the next token. Step 4. The model is corrected when wrong. Step 5. Repeat billions of times. After a long time, the model becomes very good at predicting text. This process requires massive datasets, very powerful computers, GPUs, graphics processing units, months of training, millions of dollars in computing power. That's why only a few companies can build these models.
What are tokens?
Now, let's talk about something very important called tokens. AI does not read words the way humans do. It reads tokens. A token is a small piece of text. A token can be a word part of a word, a punctuation mark, a number. For example, the sentence, ChatGPT is amazing, might be broken into tokens like ChatGPT is amazing! Exclamation mark. The AI reads and writes one token at a time. So when you ask a question, the AI reads your tokens, predicts the next token, then the next token. Very fast, thousands of tokens per minute. That's how it writes full paragraphs. This is also why there is something called a token limit. The AI can only handle a certain number of tokens at once.
How AI generates answers.
Let's walk through what happens when you type a prompt. Example prompt. Explain black holes in simple language. Here's what happens behind the scenes. Step 1. Your text is converted into tokens. Step 2. The AI processes the tokens using the neural network. Step 3. The AI predicts the most likely next token. Step 4. Then predicts the next token. Step 5. Continues until the answer is complete. So the AI is not retrieving a stored paragraph. It is generating the answer word by word. This is called text generation, and it is based on probability. The AI is constantly asking, what word is most likely to come next? For example, black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that. Now the AI predicts the next word based on probability. Maybe, nothing, light, matter. It picks the most likely one based on patterns it learned during training. And this happens for every word in the response.
Why AI sometimes makes mistakes.
Now, an important question. If AI is so smart, why does it sometimes make mistakes? There are several reasons. Reason 1, it predicts not knows. AI does not truly know facts. It predicts the most likely answer based on patterns. Sometimes the most likely answer is wrong. This is called an AI hallucination. That means the AI generates something that sounds correct, but is actually incorrect. Reason 2, bad or unclear prompts. If your prompt is vague, the AI may guess what you mean and guess wrong. This connects directly to prompt engineering. Better prompts, better answers. Reason 3, limited or outdated training data. The AI was trained on data from the past, not real-time knowledge, and less connected to the internet. So, it may not know very recent events. Reason 4, token prediction errors. Since the AI generates text one token at a time, a small mistake early can lead to a bigger mistake later. Let's summarize everything in simple terms. Chatbots like ChatGPT work by training on massive amounts of text, learning patterns in language, breaking text into tokens, predicting the next token, generating responses word by word, using probability, not human thinking. So, they don't think like humans. They predict language extremely well, and that prediction ability looks like intelligence. Now you understand how chatbots like ChatGPT actually work. You learned what large language models are, how AI is trained, what tokens are, how AI generates responses, why AI sometimes makes mistakes. And once you understand this, something very important becomes clear. The quality of the AI's answer depends a lot on the quality of your prompt. That's why prompt engineering is such an important skill. If this video helped you understand AI better, make sure to like the video, share it with someone learning AI, and subscribe for more simple explanations of AI, cloud computing, and emerging technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!